How to recover a TikTok account without two-step verification. So if you want to recover your TikTok account without two-step verification, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you just need simply go with your profile, which is on the bottom. And from the profile, you need to go with the login page. Once you're on the login page, you need to just go with the first option, which is phone, email, or username. Now, if you are not being able to recover your TikTok account with the two-step verification, or if you want to use without two-step verification, without your email or phone number, then what you need to do is just simply go with the top right, which has that question mark icon. Tap on recover your account, which is on the first, and now you need to enter your username and then tap on search, and you will have your email or your password options, right? So what you need to do is just simply go with can't access these, which will be on the bottom of your screen, or just simply go with help, or tap on request support. Now it will take you to submit a ticket for your email support. You need to click on that option, which will take you to the help center. Now here you need to enter the topic, like you need to go with the account access, and then under the category you need to go with login issue or recovery issue, anything that you're comfortable with, and then enter your username, your sign up date, your account information, your sign up region, your linked email or your phone number, the device that you use to log in, and then your linked accounts, your additional information. Once you've entered all of your information, you need to go with submit, which will be on the bottom. Make sure under additional details, you need to write, I need help logging into my account. I don't have access to the email address associated with my account, and I'm unable to verify it that way. So my username is this and this, please contact me. And once you've written that, you need to go with submit, and you will be able to recover your TikTok account without your two-step verification. It might just take a few hours or a few days. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.